Hi, I'm Tanya G. Mason, CEO of Tanya Does Hair, founder of My Water Beauty Solution, and the educator of the Hair and Scalp Restoration Program and Masterclass. Today we're going to be talking about when you know when you really need help with your hair. I would like to go over some things that I know that happened to me in my past that told me I needed help. One of the things that I found along my journey that helped me to understand when it was time and knew that I needed help. One of the main things that I noticed was lack of growth. Another thing I noticed was the inability to keep my ends manageable. I found over time that these two were occurring because of lack of trims or haircuts professionally, and then honestly, a lack of professional assistance and advice, because sometimes when we're at home, we can think up some of the wildest things to do, right? So those are the two main things that I would say would suggest or present itself to tell you when it's time for you to go get some help with your hair. Another thing I would like to point out is if you're experiencing excessive hair loss, that's another sign that it's time to go get some help. Okay. All right, I really hope that that video was helpful, useful, and you learned something new. If you did, or if you didn't, I still invite you to continue to like and/or subscribe. Visit my website at www.tanyadoeshairllc.com and/or register for my up-and-coming My Water Hair and Scalp Restoration online masterclass.
Does your hair seem dry or brittle? Does your scalp itch or get flaky? Is your hair unmanageable? What if there was one solution in one bottle that will restore your dry or brittle hair, remove the flakes or scalp irritation, and increase manageability, plus eliminates the need for chemical treatments, conditioners, or oils? Would you try it? Well, we would like to introduce you to My Water Hair Solution, the total solution for both your hair and skin.
Components that go into that, because if you told me water is going to change it, I wouldn't